Namaste, my beautiful people. It's a beautiful day. We are 1 week away from my art expo. I'm super excited from what's to come. I'm gonna show you the details of what's behind the scenes of building my art expo. Super excited about it. I want you to all to see what's it like to build an art expo that looks amazing. I've invested so much time, energy, money, and resources and love for it to be the best expo ever in my life until this moment. So let me show you. So we are right now at the computer, at the place where every magic happens in terms of marketing, in terms of documentation, in terms of everything. So I'm gonna share you the 3 things that are super important. It's super important to record what you're doing and to really try to systematize something, so when you do it in the future you can also do it faster and easier. So this is the first thing. I did what we called the invitations. Okay, so it has to be simple, it doesn't have to be so much. It has to have the sponsors, the address, it has to have the date, okay, and it also has to have your name, and it has to be personalized, so you know who you're sending to. You also have to have, for example, the original banner. Mostly if you're doing it social media, you would like to do it in a square way, okay? So it starts in the 22nd and it ends up in 7th of May. It has my name, it has the curators, it has the sponsors, as I told you. Then you have the guided visits, because sometimes people won't be able to go into your inauguration, or the opening, so it would be better for them to have other places, and you decide where are you going to be there, because they want to see you, they want to visit you. Finally, in my case, we're going to have a performance at the end, so that's also an invitation, okay? Then for example, this is for more social media, also doing like content, some videos, some creations, and with this I was able to create some reels. I'm gonna share with you how did I do it. So basically what I did was take pictures and then record it as videos, and this was the result. So let's see. So this is what's happened so far. These are the videos. So as you see, it's more content for people to see, to show. So it's really simple, but it's creating a lot of excitement around the art expo. Okay, I also created my highlight for the art expo, so this is super important. You can have up to 100 things, so you have hundreds of pictures of what was the process, so it was documented, everything. Okay, so this will be shown also in the art expo. And finally, this is my personal taste. I want to go all in. So for example, I did this page in my own website. It's better to have your own website. So this is artincordova.art. This is my other part of my life. And you have, for example, all the boxes, so people can actually see the boxes here. So these are the MP3s for the sounds that I'm going to use during the expo, because I want the expo to have a sound part with it. So it's not just visual, but it's also like a space and an experience. I bought 3 of these speakers, and I'm going to place them starting tomorrow in the different parts of the art expo. So these are the boxes. As you can see, there are 333 boxes. They are piled up just to the side, so it doesn't occupy so much space. And tomorrow at 7 a.m. I'll take them to the art expo. Today I'm gonna put them on the living room, so I don't have to put them down in the morning. So it's everything ready. Everything's about preparation. Hey guys, so we're right now going to the expo to start the setup. We have 333 boxes over here. We have Clever. Clever, say hi. So we're super excited.
A few moments later.
We've arrived at the expo. We're at the place of the expo, Casa Cultural Benjamín Carrion. We're gonna go inside to see where are all the boxes gonna be placed and then start setting everything up. So we have started setting everything up. As you can see, we created these pillars, these 3 pillars. These boxes are gonna be hanged. Then I have this like big space where I'm gonna put the sound. I have that little space. There's also gonna be the sound and that one. As you can see, these are more organized. I think I like it better that way, so I might make this and that one a little bit more structured. I also added some boxes on the side, okay, and some little details. Building this pillar was a pain in the ass. It was hard. And there's gonna be the donations. So there we go. After a few hours, we're still setting up everything. I'm here with Sophie. She's helping me add this nylon into some boxes that are gonna be hanged in the ceiling, while I'm also setting up the video. It's gonna be projected there, and as you can see, it's one box in each slide, and it's gonna take a little bit more time, but it's gonna look amazing. Day 2 of setting everything up. I went to buy these things and I was missing something, so I had to run in the rain to get 7 of these. And that's what happens when you don't have assistants. Besides that, I spoke with the curator and she told me that, for example, that thing works, but it would be better if I do like a serpent like hanging on different sides, so that's why I had to buy more of these. And yeah, it's gonna look amazing. I'm gonna set up everything in place. I got the ladder. It's kind of scary a little bit, but it will work. So it's part of the game. It's part of making it beautiful. So as you can see, you have 3 of the cáncamos. I don't know how to say it in Spanish, in English. You have 3 more there, 3 more there, 3 more there at the end. That way, the serpent will start there, then go there, then go there, and then it ends up there with the head. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. And I'll put nylon on top of the inside of that, so it all connects, and then the boxes drop one by one. Day number 3, you can see the boxes over there hanging. That was super hard. So as you can see, they're all hanged individually, and that's just one of the three layers, but each layer has like three. You see, you have three over there, and go three. So basically, I was gonna look. It's, you see, and goes that way, then it goes from there to here, and from here to over here. Okay, let's go. Day number 4 of setting up the art expo, the opening. We are checking up all the glass for the wine, and some whatever this thing is. I'm also hiring someone to help me with setting up everything, and food and other tiny little details that are super important for the expo. Please make sure that every detail is important, and it's for you. If you're making an art expo, it's for you and to gift it to the world. And yeah, it's everything. Every cent is worth it. All right. We have everything set up in the boxes on top. So check this out. You start here, and it goes dun 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 dun. So as you see, it's the 3 rails. It's looking amazing. I love it. What I will have to do afterwards is fix those holes, fix that wall. You see, that's the thing. Sometimes the art expo takes a toll afterwards. But yeah, totally worth it. I'm gonna climb up there so you can see the view. No one will come here unless the drone. So you can see there all the boxes. Whew. See, they're hanged there. It's looking amazing. Just a few more hours before the expo. I'm super excited, but with a lot of things in my mind. I have to fix the ceiling so it looks pristine. I have to print another thing right now, put it there. I have to put that thing over there, and I had to take it out from here, and my little finger got cut. I don't know if you can see it. Well, whatever. I put some plants over here so it looks beautiful. But yeah, we're gonna fix those holes in the sky. Try to see if I can paint something there and there so it doesn't look that way. Okay, the devil is in the details. Okay, 2 more hours before the expo. I have the beautiful cedula here that shows where everything is set. I have the text over here now. It looks good because when you enter you can see it, and it doesn't like obstruct so much the communicate the side look. If you go like this, you can check it out. Okay, so it's not intrusive. This is the pumpkin, or our Ecuadorian version of pumpkin. That's the bag that appears on the text, and that's like the box that also appears in text. Everything's ready over here. Here's for donations. Art doesn't pay for itself. So until I'm supported by big galleries, this is what we do. I'm waiting on the projector, and yeah, let me show you how it's gonna look. So you see everything with color, everything beautiful. last day of the art expo. It's been a journey. It's been so amazing, so enlivening. I feel so grateful for people coming here and exploring. Today, this is a dismantling process with all the spectators that will come, because they will take the box. It's a massive giveaway, and I'll also record that part. But yeah, learning lessons. It's go all in. You won't regret it. Enjoy the process, because time passes so fast. Maybe in terms of the invitations, be a little bit more hype about it. Have other access, because people will always want to do other things, and it's important for you to show the value and the importance and the impact of your art expo. But at any time as well, the people that came enjoyed. It was amazing. I had workshops. There were many people coming and enjoying what I had to offer, what the experience had to offer, and this will be like the good thing that I remember for the rest of my life. Thank you for seeing all this video. I know it was a bit long, but if I can do an art expo, so can you. Thank you.